Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to see who shared your Instagram reel. So let's start. I'm here on my Instagram account. So if you are in a professional dashboard, you can see the insights. For this, just click on the reel that you want to see and then just go to the three dots if you want, or you can find the option also here in the left corner. So just click on the three dots and then just go to view insights. Just click there and you will find the insights of this URL. So you can see overview, account reach, reel interactions, profile activity, and then just scroll down and you can find the option reels interactions, likes, saves, shares, and comments. Here on shares, you can find how many times your reel has been shared with other profiles. However, only in this time appears the number. You can see the person who shared it. I hope in the future we can see it. Also, you can see who shared your reel on notifications sometimes, so you can check if someone give a share to your reel on the notification section. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and like this video.